Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my November 2021 Kinder Beauty Box subscription unboxing. But before we get started, I am wearing the eyeshadow I got in this month's Medusa's makeup box, and this is the baked eyeshadow in the color Woke. As you can see, it is a very, very yellow gold. So I've got that on my eyes today, and I have to say, of all the baked eyeshadows I've tried from Medusa's makeup so far, this one was the patchiest, which was unusual. I'm not used to that with this particular baked eyeshadow product. It's usually really, really smooth and consistent, but I did have to get out a packing brush and really pack it on to make sure the color was there, and even then it's not the most consistent. Now I will say the eyeshadow base I used is kind of drying out, so it wasn't the stickiest base to work with. I'll have to retry it next time I go to use this with a base that's much more tacky than the one I used today. But yeah, not the most well-performing of the Medusa's makeup eyeshadows, but I will say it is a gorgeous color. It looks phenomenal on, so that is my opinion on this. And now we can get into the unboxing. So go ahead and open this up. So it looks like there is a little advertisement type card in here for their holiday season specials. Let's see, they'll have an Earth Harbor bundle, a Kind Poppy Silent Night bundle, I don't know, a Love Your Lashes bundle, Delia Organics bundle, which I will say I have a product to share with you guys in my upcoming empties that I did not get even halfway through from Delia Organics because it was causing me some irritation, so keep an eye out for that. And then they'll have tons of gifts under $30, so that's interesting, and that is in their marketplace. Yeah. Go to kinderbeauty.com/marketplace and use the code HOLIDAY at checkout for an additional $10 off of your $40 or more order. So that's pretty cool. Little discount there. And then we have our card for the month. So looks like I got the Pamper Me box, and I went online and looked at the other box, and I do think this is probably the one I picked, although I can't remember half the time. So let's get into it. So the first item we have in here is from Vadam Teas. It's a turmeric chamomile herbal tea. So here's what that looks like. If it, wants to focus. There we go. This is a bonus item. Did somebody say spa day? Not only are these teas delicious, but Vadam is a brand with a conscience. I don't know. They take care of their farmers and are certified climate and plastic neutral. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to put that in my little tea section downstairs in the kitchen. And then let's start with the products. So this is from Luxie. And let's read about that. It is a $15 value. It is the Power Blender Sponge in Gray. Product matters, but a good blender can make all the difference. And Luxie's Powder Blender Sponge is perfect for powders of all kind. Dip it into powder and apply and gasp at your gorgeousness. So that's interesting. I don't typically use sponges. I prefer brushes, but I've never had one, I guess, specifically made for powders, so maybe I'll give it a try. Next item. Now this item I'm actually really excited about. This is from Super Zero. It is their shampoo bar for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So my hair is always on the dry side, and this is actually something I had in my Amazon cart that I was planning on buying next time I had to travel, because I love this brand's shampoo bars. I have not tried their conditioner bars, so I can't speak to that, but their shampoo bars are the best shampoo bars I have ever tried. They lather so well, they dry down fairly quickly so you can transport them easily, and they just get the job done. They're really my favorite shampoo bar, and I'm very picky about shampoos, so because my hair is really thick, it's hard to spread product through my hair because it's so thick. So I'm really excited about this. So let me read to you about this. This is a shampoo bar mini. It's a $6 value. Whether your hair is normal to oily or damaged and frizzy, Superhero Super Zero has your back with this soap-free mini shampoo bar containing green tea leaf oil, juniper berry oil, and natural plant proteins for thick and satisfying lather. So very excited about that. Next we have a glass jar, and this is from Lottie Naturals. It's the whipped coconut butter and eucalyptus foot balm. So I like that the jar, it seems like it's glass, but I don't love how, I don't know, homemade this little label feels. It feels very arts and crafts, the packaging, in my opinion. But it says that this is an $18 value. For $18, the label needs to be a little nicer, I feel like. But I'm not going to judge the product based on that. So like I said, whipped cocoa and eucalyptus foot balm. Next up on your self-care list, your feet. This luscious foot balm contains cocoa butter, shea butter, and soothing oils to heal cracks and dryness on one of the most used appendages. So I'm really excited about this. It's been a while since I had like a foot specific product, and my heels tend to get really dry, even though I've been going and getting like an actual professional pedicure with the full works every month. But yeah, my feet still get really dry, so I'm excited to try that product. Let me see if it has a smell. The smell, I would say, it just kind of smells like cocoa butter. It's not bad, but it feels weird. It's almost got like a putty texture. I don't know how to describe that. It's an interesting feel, but then after you touch it, it like melts right in your hand. It's an interesting product. I'm very looking forward to trying that. Okay, next we have the Authentic Barrier Cream Balm. So let's read about this. And they're definitely sawing something outside. They're building 2 new houses up the street. So if you hear noises, I apologize. I cannot get them to stop building a house. Obviously, I'm not even gonna ask them. So that's what the noise is. Anyway, this is from Pure Am, and is their Authentic Barrier Cream Balm, a $20 value. Colder weather means your skin needs to play defense. So give your epidermis a hand with this yummy cream balm. Major moisture when you need it. So I don't really see ingredients listed on here, so I'll have to look that up to see if this is something I would actually use on my face, because it does recommend using on face and neck. So it's kind of annoying it doesn't have the ingredients listed on here, but I will look that up and I will either use it on my body if it's not something I want to put on my face, or give it to a friend, or throw it in the giveaway. We'll have to see what the ingredients tell me about this product. And then the last product is something I'm actually quite familiar with. I already have 2 of these. I'm not mad about getting another one. I know I will eventually use it up because I actually do really like this product. It is from Volleyball. It's their bergamot and grapefruit lip balm. I don't remember if I have this flavor already, but all the flavors I've had so far, the 2 that I have so far, are both good. So whether I have this one or not, I'm happy with it. So here's what it looks like. And you've seen this product twice before, so let me read you the description again. This is a $33 value. These heavenly smelling balms contain natural ingredients like peppermint leaf, essential oil, rosemary extract, and vanilla fruit extract to plump, soothe, and soften your pucker. And I will say, even though it's expensive, I'm glad it keeps coming in a box, because I don't know that I'd spend $33 on this, but I do really enjoy it. So happy to have another one. So overall with this box, I would say, even though I got 2 products that I know I love, these are 2 products I've gotten in various boxes before in one form or another. So this is not new and exciting. I'm kind of annoyed the ingredients aren't listed on here, because it's sort of important. So I don't even know if I'll use this or not yet. I'm not the biggest fan of a sponge. I don't really love getting tools in these unless they're like tools everyone will use, like a blush brush or an eyeshadow brush, like things everyone will use. And I don't know that a sponge is something everyone will use. That being said, I am really fascinated about the fact that it's made specifically for powders. So I think I'm going to use this with one of my Tarte powders. My drawers, they're so squeaky. I have this Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation. I think I'll give it a try with this. I think that would be an interesting experiment. So yeah, and then this has a really nice texture, and just from touching it, it feels really moisturizing, so I think that'll be great. And I mean, free tea, not mad about that. So I mean, I don't want to quite give it an A. It's like maybe an A minus, B plus, but I'm not mad about this box at all. I think it was a pretty good box, fairly sufficient box, so I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know, did you get the Pamper Me box or did you get the other one, and did you enjoy all the products you got in your box? Any other comments and questions can of course always go down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all later.